channel, and today I'm going to be trying something a little bit different. I'm going to be trying heatless hair curls using just a rope belt. That's what they're called. That's all you really need, and then you just need like 2 baubles, and I'm just using my scrunchies. Yeah, so before we start, please do hit the thumbs up, comment, subscribe, just support me in any way you can, and let's just get on with the video. Okay, so let's just get started. I do want to say though, I do have way too curly hair naturally anyway, so as you can see, it's already kind of naturally curly, but we'll try this anyway. So I'll get the rope belt or a dressing gown or whatever you want to call it. Okay, I definitely look like Mary from Mary and Joseph, but you know, it's fine. So I'll start on this side and see how I get on. So the whole thing you need to do doesn't take long, about 5 minutes or less. So you get a strand of hair, wrap it around the belt, get another strand, do the exact same. I don't think it matters how big or how small a strand of hair you get, just up to you really. And you just keep doing that throughout the hair, just until you get to the last parts of your hair. You can take much bigger strands than I am, and you'll get it done even quicker. And again, if you've got shorter hair than I do, then you'll be a lot quicker than me. So what now that is around, whatever's left, you wrap around. Left a bit of a strand somewhere. There we go. And you just continue on wrapping, like so. Then towards the end, as you can see I've got a little bit left, just wrap what you can and then just tighten it. And then you want to make a little bun on the side of your head. Just like so. And then to secure it, you can use a bauble. I'm using a scrunchie. Okay, so that's one side done. Let's go with the next. Okay, so I'll start with the fringe. Again, not being precise whatsoever. Almost there, so I'll just take 2 more. And now with the hair I've got left, again, wrap it around. Do it nice and tight, just so it kind of goes into place. And then again, get to the end and wrap it. And then just twist it, and again just make the bun and secure it. Okay, looking like Princess Leia here, but you know, it's fine. I probably wouldn't go out of the house looking like this. I mean, if you want, then do it. But I definitely wouldn't unless it's Halloween or whatever. So yeah, I'm going to leave this on for 1 to 2 hours and then come back and show you the results. I know a lot of people have left it probably longer or just overnight. However, I just wanted to do it nice and quick so you guys can see what you can get from a short period of time. And I don't think I'd like to do this overnight anyway. I just don't think it'd be that comfortable. I mean, I like to sleep on my sides and this just wouldn't work. So yeah, I'll be back in a couple of hours just to show you what it looks like. Okay, so it's time to take this off. It's been about an hour, maybe an hour and 40 minutes. I did say I was going to leave about an hour, 2 hours, so I thought I'd just stick it in the middle, do an hour and a half, an hour and 40 minutes. So yeah, let's just get started. I did start with the pink one, so I'm going to take that one out first. Okay, so let's have a look. I do have kind of wavy curly hair anyway naturally, so I don't know if it'll really do anything, but oh, whoa. Okay, so we can already see from, you know, leaving it for an hour to 2 hours, these, well, okay, I think I might have just messed it up, but as you did see earlier on the curl definition until I put my hand through it. Okay, maybe this side will have the same effect and I won't put my hand through it this time, but let's just take the bubble. Okay, so that's like the curl there, look. I liked to run my hands through it, make it more volumized, especially because, you know, hair day, hair wash day. Okay, so it kind of looks the same as when I started because I do have curly, wavy naturally hair, but I can definitely see more definition in the curls. And this is after like an hour and a half, and I could have left it on for so much longer, could have left it overnight, and I can tell you that I personally think if I left it over that period of time, I'd have a lot more curls and a lot more definition. So maybe if that's something you want me to do, just try it out for longer to see that result that you can see, then I can definitely do that for you guys. I just want to do something quite short for this video, just something that you guys could watch and just something quick and easy to do, and something that you don't have to keep on for hours. I know people leave it on for a lot of hours. I didn't know how long to keep it on for, so I just thought 1 to 2 hours, that'll be perfectly fine for me. Just test it out and so you guys can see the results after just a couple of hours. So if this is what kind of curls you're looking for, then definitely just leave it on for 1 to 2 hours. If you want more definition, leave it on for longer. I'm quite happy with the way it looks. I just think it looks really nice. It's not very curly. I have seen other people do it and theirs are very curly, but I'm presuming that they left theirs on for a lot longer than I did. But nonetheless, I still really like the results. But yeah, definitely let me know if you want me to do it for longer so you can see the best results that you can get. But again, you just have to keep it on for longer, and that could be a disadvantage for some people. I didn't find it that comfortable having it on my head just because it was over my ears and it was a little bit itchy, but then again today was quite hot anyway, so it's quite a hot day to try something like that. But if you don't really care about that kind of things, then you know, you can just leave it on for however long you want to leave it on for. But yeah, so that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this. I really like trying this on. Again, I did only leave it for a couple of hours, but even then I still quite like the results. If I had straight hair, then I'd probably have much better results, that's for sure. It's not damaging your hair whatsoever because you're not putting any heat on, so it's a win-win really. So if you guys have enjoyed this video, do hit the thumbs up and comment, let me know what you want to see next and what you liked in this video, and subscribe. But yeah, I'll see you guys very soon with a new video. Bye!